back to a new look. Today I'm back with another natural remedy to get super shiny smoothie hair. Everyone suffer with rough and dull hair. Everyone wish to have shiny hair, but it is impossible due to pollution. So now I'm going to show how to prepare a head mask to get super. Now I'm going to show a DIY treatment to get smooth and shiny hair at home naturally. Yes, for this face pack, now you will get shocked what is the material I am using. For this, I am going to use this Multani Mitti. This is very popular skincare ingredient often used in face masks that we all know, but it is also very helpful to get smooth and shiny skin. Yes. Along with this Multani Mitti, I am going to use honey, also lemon. By using this Multani Mitti, lemon and honey, now I am going to show a DIY hair mask to get super silky hair. So for this, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti. In this, add 2 tablespoons of honey and adding lemon to it. Cut the lemon 2 pieces and add the entire lemon juice. 1 lemon is enough. Just squeeze out the juice. Just mix these 3 well. This Multani Mitti is an ancient Roman times bleach sheep fur as a cleansing agent. It is very often used in cosmetic purposes. It is occurring naturally as a sedimentary clay composed mainly of alumina, silica, iron oxides and water in variable proportions with a strong ability to absorb the impurities. But this is not ideal for only skincare, but it is also an incredibly efficient hair care ingredient. Multani Mitti is very mild and effective cleanser that removes impurities from your hair, and this hair pack for people with oily scalps is very helpful as it helps to clean your hair without drying out the natural oils. People sometimes use this Multani Mitti as an alternative to commercial shampoos. Applying this Multani Mitti on your scalp improves the blood circulation, which means your follicles get better nourishment from the increased flow of blood to them. So after mixing this, just apply onto your hair. This Multani Mitti also helps like conditioning your hair because of its mild nature. Multani Mitti helps condition your hair, making it smooth and silky. It also helps to repair the damaged hair and helps to keep your hair healthy. Yes, now applying onto your hair. Just take with your both hands and just apply as you apply a shampoo to your hair and allow to sit it for 1 hour wearing a shower cap. And the thing is, don't forget to apply from the tip of your hair to the roots, because if you touch the scalp will get nourished, because if you are having dry scalp, this is very helpful to get rid of this dry scalp. And if you have split ends, it will cure all the split ends. Just apply this and sit for 1 hour wearing shower cap. After 1 hour, just wash with a mild shampoo. You no need to take conditioner after your head bath. This alone acts as a conditioner. Multani Matti also helps to unclog your pores on the head so that it nourishes your entire scalp and make your hair smoothie and silky. This is very natural and best ingredient DIY recipe. So do try at your home and subscribe to New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.